Everyone thinks the best-selling off-road electric skateboard is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Meepo Campus V3. This skateboard caught my eye with its sleek design and beginner-friendly features, all for around $189.99. If you want an accessible entry into electric skateboarding, this is worth a serious look. So, why does this skateboard stand out? Well, it's got a compact 26.75-inch deck made from 7-ply maple, which makes it lightweight yet sturdy, handling a rider weight of up to 150 pounds comfortably. The Campus can hit speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour, which is perfect for new riders who want a bit of excitement without going overboard. Plus, it offers a range of 8 to 10 miles, so it's great for fun rides or short commutes. The intuitive 4-speed remote control is another perk, letting you switch speeds easily as you build confidence. Now, some people complain about the limited weight capacity. If you weigh more than 150 pounds, the performance might drop a bit. Here's the thing though, if you're a beginner or a lighter rider, the skateboard is still a fantastic choice for learning and enjoying the ride. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or a younger rider looking for a fun way to cruise around. Skip this one if you're heavier than 150 pounds and need a more powerful ride. For the price, it's a solid introduction to electric skateboarding. Now, if the weight limit of the Meepo Campus V3 has you worried, the next option is built for a more robust riding experience. Product number 2, Magneto Mini Cruiser. We have the Magneto Mini Cruiser, priced at just $50.39. This little skateboard is a great pick for those who want an easy-to-carry option without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a fun cruiser that's ultra-portable, this one should be on your radar. What makes the Magneto Mini Cruiser special? Its 27.5-inch deck is perfect for kids and adults alike, making it an ideal choice for beginners. The double kicktails enhance its versatility, allowing you to perform tricks easily while maintaining a smooth ride. With a weight of only 2.25 kilograms, it's incredibly easy to carry around. Plus, the construction from Canadian maple means it's durable enough for everyday use. Some users have mentioned that it might not be sturdy enough for heavier riders, but honestly, if you're looking for a lightweight skateboard for cruising and some basic tricks, it's not a deal breaker. It's perfect for kids or those just starting out in skateboarding. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or looking for a compact board for casual rides. Skip this one if you're an experienced skater who needs something more heavy-duty. At this price point, it's hard to go wrong. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for more serious riders.
Product number 3, LFaster Mountain Skateboard Kit. Let's talk about the LFaster Mountain Skateboard Conversion Kit, priced at $379.99. This kit is for those who want to take their traditional skateboard off-road. If you're ready to transform your regular board into a powerhouse, this is worth considering. This kit features a robust 2,800-watt motor, which means you can tackle those rough terrains with ease. The 190 kV N63 motor spins at 8,000 RPM, giving you the power you need for steep hills and bumpy trails. This is perfect if you're someone who wants to explore more rugged environments without sacrificing performance. The kit fits most boards and is designed for intense riding, making it a solid upgrade for enthusiasts. However, some users found the installation a bit tricky, and it requires some technical knowledge. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with DIY projects, then this minor hassle is worth the customization it brings. This is perfect for you if you already have a skateboard and want to upgrade it for off-road adventures. Skip this one if you prefer a plug-and-play solution. Considering the power you gain, it's a worthy investment for thrill seekers. Now, if you're looking for something a bit different, the next product might just light up your rides.
Product number 4, BCIOUE Skateboard Lights. We have the BCIOUE Skateboard Lights, priced at $135.99. These lights are essential if you plan to ride at night or in low light conditions. If safety and visibility are your priorities, this product is definitely for you. These lights provide super bright illumination, which helps you see obstacles and rough terrain clearly while riding. They're built with a high-capacity 10,000 mAh battery, meaning you can ride for over 74 hours continuously without worrying about running out of power. What's impressive is the waterproof design, making them suitable for all weather conditions. Plus, the quick-release mounting system ensures they stay secure during your rides. Some users have reported that the screws can loosen due to vibrations, but I'll be real with you. Just check them occasionally and you'll be fine. The benefits of keeping yourself visible and safe far outweigh this minor issue. This is perfect for you if you off-ride at night or in less than ideal light conditions. Skip this one if you only ride during the day. At this price, it's a small investment for your safety. If you're after a clear contrast to the last product, the final one on our list offers a unique twist.
Product number 5, LFaster Mountain Skateboard Conversion Kit Alternative. We have another option from LFaster, another mountain skateboard conversion kit priced slightly higher at $440. This one's for those who want serious performance on rugged terrains. If you're looking for the best power upgrade for your off-road adventures, don't miss this. Similar to the previous kit, it features a 2,800-watt motor and can handle steep inclines and rough trails effortlessly. The horsepower and torque offered by this kit can take your riding experience to a whole new level. If you're an aggressive rider, this will give you the performance boost you crave. However, the higher price tag might be a concern for some. But honestly, if you're willing to invest in a quality upgrade that can handle tough rides, this kit is well worth the cost for serious enthusiasts. This is perfect for you if you're a seasoned rider who wants to tackle challenging off-road paths. Skip this one if you're just getting into skateboarding and want something more beginner-friendly. For the performance alone, it's a worthy investment. So there you have it, 5 fantastic off-road electric skateboards. Whether you're a beginner with the Meepo Campus V3, a casual rider with the Magneto Mini Cruiser, or a thrill seeker with the LFaster kits, there's something for everyone. Safety enthusiasts can also find value in the BCIE lights, making night rides safer. Choose the one that fits your style and get ready to ride.